Hybridization of organic compound. How do we calculate hybridization given following organic compounds? And how do we calculate hybridization in organic compounds? So I will give simple trick student. Hybridization depends on number of sigma bonds and lone pairs. Hybridization depends on number of sigma bond plus lone pairs. Here how to calculate, we know how to calculate number of sigma bonds. Student. Generally three types of bonds are there. Student. There are three types of bond, that is single bond, double bond and triple bond. We know this is single bond. Single bond having only one sigma student. As this is double bond. Double bond also having only one sigma, and triple bond, this is triple bond. Triple bond also having only one sigma and 2 pi. Double bonds contain one sigma and 1 pi. This is a simple trick student. Generally sigma bonds having only one sigma, single bond having only one sigma, double bond having one sigma and 1 pi bond, triple bond having one sigma and 2 pi bonds. So we know student that is hybridization depends on number of sigma bonds and lone pair. So we consider one lone pair, that means one lone pair equal to one sigma bond, we consider as a one sigma bond. You remember student, one lone pair equal to, we consider as a one sigma bond. So now take the example student. In CH4 molecule, what is the hybridization? In CH4 molecule, what is the carbon hybridization? So generally this carbon surrounding 4 hydrogens are there students. 4 hydrogens are there. Simple structure I am writing here. This carbon surrounding 4 hydrogens are there. Each hydrogen occupies single bond only. So what I said students, that is hybridization depends on number of sigma bonds and lone pair. So here how to calculate sigma bonds student? This carbon surrounding 4 single bonds are there. These 4 single bonds are there. Each single bond having one sigma. Here also one sigma. Here also one sigma, here also one sigma, and here also one sigma. The total 4 sigma bonds are there. These 4 sigma bonds are there. This 4 sigma bonds compound always sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. You remember student one more thing. Here I am writing here 2 sigma bonds are there, that hybridization is sp. If in case 3 sigma bonds are there, that hybridization is sp2, and 4 sigma bonds are there, that hybridization is sp3. Only in organic chemistry only 3 types of hybridization only possible: sp, sp2 and sp3. sp3d, sp3d is not possible. Because of this, organic chemistry completely depends on carbon only. So that's why these three types of hybridization only possible, that is sp, sp2 and sp3 only. sp, sp2 and sp3. Here 2 sigma bonds are there, that is sp hybridization. If in case 3 sigma bonds are there, that compound undergoes sp2 hybridization. 4 sigma bonds are there, that compound undergoes sp3 hybridization. This is the simple trick student. Now take the one more example student. In CH3 single bond CH3. In ethane molecule, each carbon hybridization. CH3 single bond CH3. Ethane molecule, each carbon undergoes hybridization student. I am writing skeleton structure student. This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there. 1, 2, 3. Then after that bond is there. Bond. And right side carbon also having 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, then 3. He is asking each carbon. Here 2 carbons are there. This is first carbon, this is second carbon. Each carbon hybridization. This carbon student, this first carbon, this is first carbon, second carbon. This first carbon surrounding how many sigma bonds are there? This first carbon surrounding 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds are there. So that's why it is sp3 hybridization. It is belongs to sp3 hybridization. And what about second carbon student? This is second carbon. This second carbon surrounding how many sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is also sp3 hybridization. So you remember student, this middle bond belongs to both carbons. So that's why if you take this carbon, we are asking first carbon hybridization is the surrounding total sigma bonds from here to here. This is first carbon surrounding 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take the second carbon hybridization, this surrounding this placement, this one, this carbon surrounding this place. So this bond belongs to both carbons. This bond counts the both carbons. So if you take the second carbon hybridization, this carbon surrounding 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also sp3 hybridization. This is also sp3 hybridization. This is a simple trick student how to calculate hybridization. Now take the one more example student, that is CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. This is first carbon, this is second carbon. What is the first carbon hybridization? So now what to do student? This carbon surrounding, how many sigma bonds are there? This carbon surrounding, this I am writing structure student. This carbon surrounding 2 hydrogens are there, 1 2. This first carbon surrounding 2 hydrogens are there, 1 2. Then after that double bond is there, put the double bond, and right side carbon also having same hydrogens, here also one hydrogen and here also one hydrogen. So he asking first carbon and second carbon hybridization. This first carbon surrounding, how many sigma bonds are there? This first carbon surrounding 2, this first carbon surrounding, how many sigma bonds are there? What I said student, this is one sigma bond having only one sigma, here also one sigma bond is there, here also one sigma, and double bond is there, double bond also having one sigma. This first carbon surrounding place from here to here, this first carbon surrounding like this. So this carbon surrounding 3 sigma bonds are there, so that's why 3 sigma bond hybridization is sp2, this is sp2. And what about second carbon student? This second carbon also surrounding, how many sigma bonds are there? This second carbon surrounding, here also one hydrogen, one single bond is there, here also one sigma bond, here also one single bond is there, here also one sigma bond. And this carbon backside, this double bond is there, double bond also having only one sigma bond. So here this carbon surrounding 1 2 3, here also sp2 hybridization. You remember student, this carbon surrounding means this place, this carbon surrounding means this place, this left, this double bond belongs to both sides. Count this sigma bond counting both carbons, the sigma bond is belongs to both carbons. So here if you take the first carbon hybridization means this first carbon surrounding 3 sigma bonds are there, so that's why it is sp2. And second carbon surrounding, count this one, this is also counting 1 2 3, this is also sp2. So this in between double bond is that, this double bond having only one sigma bond, this sigma bond counting both carbons. So this is the simple trick student, this is the simple trick for hybridization in organic compounds. Now take the one more example student, CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is first carbon student, this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. What is the first carbon second carbon hybridization? Is asking what is the first carbon second carbon hybridization student. So now write the skeleton structure student, I am writing skeleton structure. This carbon surrounding, how many hydrogens are there student? This carbon surrounding 3 hydrogens are there, 1 2 3. Then after that single bond is there, then single bond. And this carbon surrounding only one hydrogen is there, this one hydrogen. Then after that double bond. Then this carbon surrounding 2 hydrogens are there, one hydrogen here and one hydrogen here. We know that is already gave, numbering already gave student, that is 1 2 3. What is the first carbon hybridization, second carbon hybridization, third carbon hybridization? First one, the first carbon hybridization, this carbon surrounding, how many sigma bonds are there? This carbon surrounding 3 sigma bonds are there. This is single bond also 1 sigma, this single bond also having 1 sigma, the double bond also having 1 sigma. This surrounding 3 sigma bonds are there, 1 2 3, 3 sigma bonds are there. So that's why it is belongs to sp2 hybridization. So first carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. What about second carbon student? This carbon surrounding left hand side 1 sigma bond is there, downwards 1 sigma bond is there, and here also 1 sigma bond is there. This second carbon surrounding means left side, right side consider, and down side. So this is also sp2 hybridization. Why? Because of this carbon surrounding, here also 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma, and here also 1 sigma. This what I said student, this the pi bond belongs to both side, left side carbon and right side carbon. So this is also sp2 hybridization. What about third carbon student? This third carbon surrounding, how many sigma bonds are there? Here also 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma, 1 2 3 and 4. So it is sp3 hybridization. You remember student, this middle carbon having 1 sigma bond is there. This 1 sigma bond count, this carbon also counting, and this carbon also counting. This carbon, in case asking third carbon hybridization means 1 2 3 4 sigma bonds are there. So that's why sp3. If you take the second, what is the hybridization of second carbon? Second carbon surrounding means, surrounding placement this one. This is the second carbon surrounding. Here also 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma. This is sp2. If in case is asking first carbon hybridization, first carbon surrounding means this place. First carbon surrounding means this place. This carbon surrounding, here also 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma, here also 1 sigma. So 3 sigma bonds are there, sp2 hybridization. 4 sigma bonds are there, sp3 hybridization. So here in this compound, this carbon is sp3 hybridization, this carbon is sp2 hybridization, and this carbon is sp2 hybridization. This is the simple trick student. Now take the one more example student, that is Now take the one more example for in alkane C triple bond CH. In this carbon, each carbon hybridization student, here two carbons are there. What I said student, each carbon hybridization, this carbon surrounding, one second, this carbon surrounding only two sigma bonds are there student. Here also one sigma, single bond having only one sigma, triple bond also having only one sigma. So this carbon hybridization is sp. And right side carbon, what about right side carbon student? This carbon, right side carbon surrounding, here also one sigma, here also one sigma. So this is also sp. So each carbon undergoes sp hybridization. This is a simple trick student. Now take the one more example, that is CH3 C triple bond C CH double bond CH2. This type of question is given student. So here this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth carbon. Each carbon hybridization, find out the each carbon hybridization. Find out the each carbon hybridization student. I will give simple trick student. First one, write the skeleton structure student. That is skeleton structure is this carbon surrounding how many hydrogens are, I have how many hydrogens student? 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. And then after that single bond is there, then single bond. This carbon surrounding only triple bond is there then, and this carbon surrounding only single bond is there, and this carbon surrounding only one hydrogen is there, then put the double bond. Then after that this carbon surrounding how many hydrogens are there student? 2 hydrogens are there. So now calculate the sigma bond student. Now calculate the each carbon hybridization. This is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, and first carbon surrounding how many sigma bonds are there? This first carbon surrounding, here also one sigma, here also one sigma, here also one sigma, here also one sigma. Total 3 sigma bonds are there. 3 sigma bond hybridization is sp2. I gave already I gave starting 2 sigma bonds are there, that is sp, and 3 sigma bonds are there, that is sp2. 4 sigma bonds are there, that is sp3. This is the order we know student, where 2 sigma bonds are there, sp, 3 sigma bonds sp2, 4 sigma bonds sp3. So this first carbon surrounding only 3 sigma bonds, here also one sigma, here also one sigma, here also one sigma, so sp2 hybridization. What about second carbon student? This second carbon surrounding how many sigma bonds are there student? Here also one sigma, here also one sigma, here also one sigma. It is also undergoes sp2 hybridization. This carbon surrounding 3 sigma bonds. And what about third carbon student? This carbon surrounding how many sigma bonds are there? Here this carbon surrounding one single bond is there, left hand side triple bond is there. What I said student, single bond also having only one sigma, double bond also having only one sigma, triple bond also having only one sigma, 100 bonds are there, only one sigma only. So this triple bond also having only one sigma. So this carbon surrounding only 2 sigma bond, right hand side one sigma, left hand side one sigma. So these 2 sigma bonds are there, that compound undergoes sp hybridization. And what about this carbon student? This carbon surrounding also one single bond is there, one triple bond is there. It is also undergoes sp hybridization. Why? Because of here also one sigma, here also one sigma. So this is also sp hybridization. And what about fifth carbon student? This carbon surrounding how many sigma bonds are there? This carbon surrounding here also one sigma, here also one sigma, here also one sigma, here also one sigma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sigma bonds are there. So this hybridization is sp3. This is the simple trick student. This is how to calculate hybridization. This hybridization depends on number of sigma bonds and lone pair student. This is the simple trick for hybridization in organic molecules student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.